Welcome to Top Trading Edge, folks. Today, 29 September, Sunday, and let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market looks like in upcoming week. All right, so this is your daily chart, folks. S&P 500. As you can see, look at the conditions. Market cloud conditions are bullish, right? And we did break out right here. You can see that market did break out right at the top. We bounce, little rejection. Market is validating the 566 area, folks, right here. Market never test the 566, and since then we are above. MACD bullish, volumes are bullish, and everything is in a bull territory. All right, so this is the daily chart. Everything looking nice here. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna look into smaller time frame. All right, so let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Okay, so let's go into the 4-hour chart, see what 4 hours look like. So market trying to go up, up, up. Conditions are still nice and bullish, strong, and MACD going down, down, down. I think the market is filling up the gas. All right, so what does it mean, Josh? Means market still has a strength, folks. All right, bullish strength. So that does not mean that market is not bearish. Yes, right now look at sloping star resistance building. MACD trying to pointing south side, means still in a bull territory but pointing south. So you have to apply your technical fundamental class to understand, technical intraday class to understand the way the market is behaving at this particular point. So does not have the solid weakness yet. All right, just to let you know, market is still in the process of validating. Remember, market goes up, test, retest, rejection, all these areas you have to understand. You can't be just bullish, can't be just bearish. You have to understand what the market is doing. All right, so right now market is, this 4-hour chart too far. So right now MACD filling up the gas on 4 hours. That's how it look appear to me. On a 1-hour chart, MACD says, hey, I had a diversion. All right, so that means MACD says, okay, man, that looking bearish here on a 4-hour chart. Sorry, 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart is sloping, support broke right there, and we are validating the demand zone 569 area, folks. Right here, market is validating. So look at here. We test the cloud, bounce. We test the cloud and bounce. So higher high, right? Market was creating higher high right there. But now market over here, this is a 1-hour chart, okay, folks. So when you look at the 1-hour chart, that over here the bottom one's rising right here, look at that, and now the tops are falling. But we need to watch the previous low, which is right this area 569. I draw the chart right here, 569, folks. We need to wait here, see what market does. Either it can bounce from here, all right, and then go higher and find the rejection, okay, or market could bounce this area, smart money sitting here, and get a rejection here. So Monday, if you see around 570, 572 area, be careful, folks. Smart money sitting there, that's your supply zone. Could be smaller supply zone. We could have rejection and we could go lower, right? This is the area. So tomorrow, if you are a bullish, this is the direction to look for it. If you are a bearish, this is the area to watch. So if it's rejection bear, this is where the entry is, folks. Okay, for the short side, entries are here, right? If for the long side, if it's bounce, this is the entry. Entry is not here for the long, entry is here for the long. Over here is not the entry for the short entry is here to go down if the rejection. Okay, just to give you idea, because we don't do everyday market update video on everyday basis, but we will be, folks, we have an announcement coming in. Okay, today we have earnings season starting in 15th October, folks. So we'll be doing all market update video every day, Monday to Friday and Sunday, right, where I do market update video, as well as we'll be doing a lot of stocks, because we have earning coming and market does create a lot of volatility, and that volatility has a tons of money, folks, and that's what we did before in the last springtime. So we'll be doing that, folks, right here. So if you want to join the group, that alert room, which is 750, you get that will be a private video, folks. Everybody will not have the access. So if you want to have that, then access, then it's going to be 750 for a month. You can enroll for that. You get the I go through so many earnings coming in as well as go through the market every day, so we can plan accordingly. What do you mean by Josh in that? So what happens is, if I see any areas where I can see the these are the resistance support area during the daytime, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, not the daytime, during the week time, then we can play accordingly. Plus the market does play dirty game, particularly on earning time, right? That time is a weekdays, and we need to find out what exactly dirty game it is. If I see something, I always make that notes in the video when I make the video, and I say, hey, this is the opportunity. So I'm going to show you a couple of opportunities today, for example, right? So you would see that. So similar like that. All right, anyway, let's continue the first video here for the market update. So right here the support area is, folks. If this support market flips, where would be the next area is? Market wants to go, the next area is right here, but you don't want to go first. Let the market maker go first. So if this breaks, next area is right here, but which day they're gonna do? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, nobody knows, right? That is the reason, folks, we go one step at a time. That is the reason I'll be making everyday market update video into this group, folks, right here. This is the group to join if you want to, but it costs you money because my time is value, folks. Hope you understand. When I do that, it takes about an hour or two. Easily 2 hours goes into doing all the work in the night time, right? So this is the things. If you want to join, then scan this and request, and then I'll send you the alert, or you can straight away make a payment on this information right here, Zelle or Cash App, and send me a screenshot on this number that says, Josh, I just made the payment. So I have proof that you paid, and I'll add you in the group. Okay, so this is the one. You know what, let me finish with the all announcement, folks. Okay, and so that way we get, then we have alert room, October alert, October starting alert room. So those who wants to join SPX alert room, October alert room is right here, folks. We don't give you any discounts on alert room, not any discount, but we Discord live you get free with it on this one. So if you sign up for that alert room for 1 month, you get discount for the Discord alert, which is $500. We give you free with the alert room, so you get it for $1,000. That's the alert room coming on October. So if you want to join, you can scan this. It costs you $1,000. Provide a proof, and then I will add you. And this is the how to make a payment is right here. All right, so that's the alert room. And so these are the discount I'm giving, but sorry, these are the alert room announcement. But also, folks, we have a package deal going on since summer. Remember, summertime. So this is getting over now. Okay, so this is going back to the original price. What is the original price is? This is the SPX class for folks. People paid $5,000 on this one. So if you want to join these, you have until Monday. From Tuesday onwards, this package will be getting over, right? On October, these get over, folks. So those who wants to sign up, you can sign up for the SPX classes. These are SPX class, how to trade SPX. That's what I teach in this 4+1 class. Plus you get the alert room free with it. All this is going away. So if you want it, you can sign up now with the discount, which you're getting almost $1,500 discount, right? So that's that. Then we have foundation package, folks. That is also discount we have, which is $4,250 value you're getting right now for $2,999. If you want to take that, you can take it now. All right, and then if you want to wait for from Tuesday, then it will be regular price, folks. The regular price is $4,250. Okay, that's the announcement, folks. Okay, let's go back to the market update video. So today, folks, I will have many few stocks I found which are interesting. So I'm going to discuss after the market update video. So right here, 569 is the area to watch because that's where the smart monies were sitting here. Okay, these are the critical area, folks. And how market plays, MACD looking horrible bearish. Look at that bounce, did not have anything. So what do you mean, Josh? Market wants to go lower. Okay, that's what it appears to me, because condition is breaking. Only sloping support, we are right there. Critical junction we are at, folks. Okay, it's trying to be, but not crazy critical. It's just the 3 days or 4 days of the work. There's a lot more demand areas here too. So market might play some game for this week. All right, but market starting little weakness for this coming week. Okay, so keep that thing in mind right here. Now let's go into smaller time frame and see what market look like here. All right, So this is 30-minute chart. MACD already entered into bear territory. If you look at it here, MACD was not in bear territory. Now we are in the bear territory. Okay, and the bears are in control right now. All right, so it's again, folks, the what do I see here is just the MACD filling up the gas, right, to until here, this area to watch between here and here. So if anybody wants to do iron condor for a weekly, those who does weekly, right, weekly calls and puts, these are the best spread, vertical spread you could do. Bullish put spreads and bearish call spreads, right, because market is in the middle, range is right here, and you can go out of the money, way out of the money, so you get less money, but easily you can collect 25% here, 25% here, and theta decay would be on your side for a couple of days, right? That could be the iron condor. You have to do your due diligence before you enter into any of it trade, folks. Okay, that's the disclaimer. But yeah, right here in the middle, smart one, you go either here or here, both way. Market goes in and out for 1 week, man, you can collect both side money. That's the perfect picture. Look, folks, market does set up. You just need to find where the money is. I just I just saw something and immediately strike in my mind that iron condor to be done at the middle of the channel, not at the top, not at the bottom, right in the middle. But somebody say, oh, iron condor is best for, no, best for only certain situation when it occurs. Anyway, so iron condor was not good here because you can do bullish put side, but how about the bear side? You lose money because market never went down. Look at that. That is the reason. But over here, now we are here, so you could make money if it is, goes down and then bounce here, come back, right? So anyway, these are the area to plan if you wanted to do like that. Alrighty, and now again, folks, we need to look for is the 30-minute chart looking bearish. Let me go into a little 15-minute chart, see what do I see here. Conditions are building now, little weak on 15 minutes, right? Sloping resistance started building. We are testing the previous low. We did not break previous low. That is the reason I'm expecting a bounce. If they do it, that could be a trap, and then they could go lower and break this. So let's see whatever they do tomorrow, folks. Okay. If you see it tomorrow any bounce, man, that means there's a trap, bull trap. That's what I think. We'll see. But we all know what they could do. All right, so we're gonna figure it out tomorrow. Let's see what happens. But I see a little weakness. That could be one of the reasons. But remember, folks, don't forget, tomorrow is a Monday. Fresh week starts. We had yesterday, Friday was the option expiry, and that could be the reason they are right now down, because tons of bulls here, right? And if you look at the daily chart here, it's still looking bullish, right? So, but no squeeze, nothing. No bulls are not crazy in control or anything. All right, that is fine, folks. We need to, I don't see here, what do I see here is nothing crazy volatility here, no. What I see is let the market maker go. There is nothing exciting here immediately. Nothing exciting to jump in bandwagon right away. This is area. If this rejection comes, we could go lower. That's the excitement. Downside excitement is higher, better if they do these. Okay. All right, let's not take too much time here, folks. Now let's look at into QQQQ. Same thing, QQQ also pointing south. Lower low, support is intact here, market is testing. If this flips, right, QQQQ, then they could go lower, and the next target area is right here, 483 area. All right, so if this flips, then you can go to 482 area right here. All right, keep that thing in a QQQ mind, that's your support area. And look like they are, but look at every time we come here, bounce, come here, bounce. So let the market maker decide. Look like there is a weakness. Okay, QQQ has it. They are keep testing several times. That means they're gonna break. If this break, man, you're gonna be easy money. I think market wants to break the QQQ, right? And then go easy money, $3. Okay, that's the QQQ, folks. Then IWM is slightly bullish looking here. They look at that. This bounce was a nice diversion and they dumped it. Now we're in the back. We are still testing the support area. So IWM doesn't look bad, folks. Okay, like QQQ. QQQ is like testing here to break down versus the IWM is building the bottoms are rising. You see this? Bottoms are rising versus QQQ. The SPY, we just saw the tops were falling in a smaller time frame. So this is 5-minute chart, right? So this is the channel right now, right? And market is here testing. So maybe I'm thinking they could bounce, all right, tomorrow. That's the idea. IWM, but if they break these, which is previous day low, Friday low, then they could go lower. So you want to watch tomorrow, see if that breaks, folks. Then IWM could go and test this area. But if it bounce here, IWM could go higher, right? And then this area could be now. These are the area to watch. Sorry. These are the area to watch for coming. All right. This is IWM. A lot of people trade IWM too, folks. Okay. So these are the area for the IWM. Okay. For the bull side, bear side. Depends on how the market play. You got to understand how the market retest area. All right. So that's your IWM. Let's look into Bitcoin real quick, and then I'm gonna look into stocks. Okay. So Bitcoin is looking little bullish. Right here, Bitcoin wants to go $68,000, folks, right here. So Bitcoin might test 65 and bounce. All right, Bitcoin looking good. So Bitcoin looking good, then stock should be looking good too. So let's look into coin. All right, so coin is, look at that, folks, light under the tunnel coming in. Okay, let me see here, coin on a daily chart. Coin, we bounce, rejection, lower low, bullish divergence, we bounce. We are testing the 50-day moving average, folks. Okay, coin might be very careful here. Light under the tunnel, bullish looking, everything looking bullish here. But remember, that was the Friday option expiry, so you might have a rejection if they do it. Okay, but looks to me coin bullish here. Only the conditions are bearish. So there is a rejection coming either here 200-day or 100-day, somewhere rejection coming on a coin, just to give you heads up. Because some people might say, oh, 50 SMA broke, but you have major resistance at 200, which is around 201. So 190, 201, and then 210. These are the areas somewhere I can expect a rejection. All right. And there is a supply here too, man. You got a tons of activity going on. Be careful, folks, coin, okay? There is a rejection coming soon. All right, that's the coin. Then that's the bear side after rejection. I would not go long side, I would go short side after rejection. So that's the coin. Let's look into what I like about is the Zim. This is the shipping company some reason, but if you take a look at the market, keep testing the top rejection. Now we're trying to poke through, folks, right here, Zim. You see that? That's what I like about it. And look at the fundamental here, strong. So these breakout, folks, easily could go to $29. All right, so that's why. So these kind of alertness, you get it on everyday market update video. When the earning is coming, you're gonna see something happening. Whenever I see technical things are happening, look at the cloud trying to push it up, MACD looking bullish, volumes are building up, all the SMA is trying to line up. And I mean, you know, what do you need, folks? Look at this setup, folks, right here. Beautiful setup. Like this is like a golden nugget, right? That can pay off your this alert room, right? So we are creating the group where I'll be posting every day market update video and many stocks earnings coming in or any moment building. I'll be posting. So join this one, folks, those who are there. Okay, scan this if you want to join that. It costs you $750. All right, so that's the Zooms. Then I'm gonna look into, that's not Zoom, that's Zim. Then CVS. I saw something interesting, folks. Okay, so CVS is still under 200 SMA, so bear is there, but there's a squeeze building and light under the tunnel coming in. MACD looking little bullish here, and we are getting above the cloud. Bears are giving up, sloping support building. All these things are happening. Only thing is we have a small supply here, but there was a couple of supply with rejection several times. So most likely we might flip. There is a battle here, but we might flip this. There's a gap here, right? There was a gap, so we tried this rejection, several times. We tried to fill up the gap. Everybody become bullish, rejection. So they all got trapped. Now they want to go. It appears to me they want to go. So remember, CVS target is they could go to $67 from here to here. So this is what it appears to me here, folks. Okay, 200 SMA is your resistance. So that is CVS bullish stock looking. All right, then we're gonna look into Zoom technology. So this is the one which has a solid financial foundation and stock earning bounce, and then they pull back. Now again bouncing. So where this stock wants to go, folks, this look like want to little bounce here around this area. Okay, so every time we come here, rejection. So this is the area wants to go easily, $4-5 range easily, because this is the bounce, rejection, now wants to go. All right, so sounds like this is all the Chinese stocks are going bouncing. This is American company here, but they do a lot of Chinese work in China. A lot of Chinese people are involved in working under this company, Zoom, right? Everybody knows Zoom video. So look like nice and bullish. Look at that. SMA, apply your technical fundamental class, you will see what I'm talking about, folks. Squeeze built in, conditions are bullish, they want to go higher. So that's the Zoom. Then Chinese stock, let's look. A lot of people are talking about Chinese stock, right? We mentioned about Zoom when it was $80. Now look at where this Baba, not Zoom, Baba. So Baba is reach our target price from $87 right here. Baba is now target reached and trying to fly high. So what do you think, George? Baba looking folks super bullish right now to me. Okay, why? Because you have to apply technical fundamental class. Remember, folks, I'm not gonna spend here 30 minutes on explaining you what it is. You have to understand the class when I teach you, so you understand, because a lot of people think there are many technical analysts, they think that way, but what I think is Baba wants to go. Okay, even though MACD looking solid, look at that overbought right here, but Baba wants to go. Means if you see a small pullback right here, it isn't goodbye. That's how I see right now. What does it mean? Means market makers, they shorted this stock from 3 years. Look at that, they brought it down from 300 to $60-70. Now they're taking it up. Where they are taking, they are going to next level here. So if you see any pullback, I think it wants to go. If you apply your technical fundamental class, then you will see what I'm talking about. All right, technical fundamental class has a value to understand why I said so. Okay, because it wants to go. All right, that's how I feel like. Then Baba PDD, Chinese stock, look at that. PDD wants to go. MACD entering the bull territory. Volumes are building. Look at that. Nice bounce, crossing, and next sloping resistance is somewhere around here. So it might go to 145. Another $10 room it has to go up. Okay. Still we are below the cloud condition. We did not cross, but has a room to go. Right here, your resistance area. Okay. So PDD looking bullish. These are all bullish stocks which I'm trying to explain you. Then another Chinese stock is Neo has, so folks, Neo, remember Neo has a it's dirt cheap here, Neo, but what do I see? Neo is, folks, there's a supply here, $7. Okay, that supply you got to watch here, because we never test that supply, $7, and a lot of people are bullish on it. But other than that, it's looking nice, bullish. Look at that setup, man. It's lovely setup right now, but it's only supply here, so be careful at these. Let the market maker go first if they flip it, but looking bullish because all Chinese stocks are going. Okay, this stock used to be $60, folks, right here. You see this? So right now heavily shorted. Now they are buying it back. So man, this is lengthy process, but I'm sure it wants to go higher. So there are many stocks, like all the semiconductor, not the semiconductor, the Bitcoin mining stocks, like they used to be what is it, Mara, right? Mara. So Mara heavily shorted, right? They took it down. Look at that. Now they are trying to bounce here, bullish divergence. We had a bounce, but you got a supply here. 1 rejection, 2 rejection, right? So over here you got to watch here this area, and it might flip. If this supply flips, $18 here, this right? Then we small bullish, but we need to flip this to go, right? That's what it looks like. Mara wants to go a little higher, right? Little higher, but still we have a resistance, folks. We need a supply to flip. So Mara, I don't like the Mara. There's another company called Canadian company, HUT, HUT. Hut 8, yep, Hut 8. So same thing, conditions are bearish here, right? Look at the MACD looking bullish, volumes are building up, but we have a resistance here. So Hut 8 looking, yeah, looking little bullish, but we got a resistance here, Hut 8. Okay, that is interesting, folks. Okay, you want Hut, right? If it breaks this, folks, 1350, then we could go higher. All right, so look like Hut wants to go, look like, but we need to get inside the cloud and bounce. So I mean, look at that, all these SMAs is around turning bullish, so we need 50 SMA to turn. So still I would give another couple of days, see how it perform, and then, okay, there is nothing running away here, looking bullish to me. Only thing is here is telling me it wants to go, but here is telling me that, hey, just wait and watch before you jump, because we had a big run here, that's why. So I would be very careful little bit. Okay, same thing, let's apply another EV car, Lucid. So Lucid, okay, so Lucid MACD bearish, they pull it down. All right, so Lucid, folks, what I like about all the SMAs are now turning bullish, 200 crossing down, 100 crossing up. So Lucid could be a good entry for a few months. Okay, folks, look at that, 359. I like Lucid testing the cloud, conditions are bullish, MACD right here, right? So worst come to worst, Lucid goes to 330, 340, that's fine. But still Lucid could be a good play for the long term, not 1 month, not 1 month, folks. Okay, it's far better to have a 2-3 months away options if you're trading. But I like Lucid on a north side, folks. Remember I just said, right? And we will, I'll put a price here, that's the price, and looks like Lucid wants to go higher. We test the higher, so you don't need to trade option, folks. These are dirt cheap, you know, stocks are good enough, right? So you don't need to worry about it. But yeah, Lucid wants to go higher, and we could go higher also, because right now market makers are their rotation going on, folks. Okay, they are right now feeding mid-range cap stocks, and then probably more cyclical stocks. Okay, so this is where these are the stocks, folks, I like for upcoming. There is another one, what is it, CVS I told you, right? CVS. Okay, yeah, so I just today I looked it up, almost 10 stocks, 8 stocks, right? Similar like that we'll be doing every day, mark on this. Okay, so if you, let's do this, those who wants to join, folks, join the group. This is cost you 750 for my time. We'll be doing every day like that, whichever stock looks like, because the earning season starting, folks. Like, let's take a look at the Tesla. So Tesla has earning coming in, for example. When is the earning, folks? October 16th, right? Middle of the week, all these earnings start, folks. When market has earning, market creates a lot of volatility. SPY, QQQ, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, many other stocks, folks. They do create a volatility, and we need to find out which direction they are going, dumping, pumping, and based off of that, folks, sometimes options are dirt cheap when they do dirty game, right? So we need to find out. Anyway, so right here Tesla is, folks, be careful here. Tesla has an event coming in, right? And we are the supply area, folks. Here, look at that supply, right? All right, so let me explain you what Tesla is doing, folks. Tesla looking right now nice and bullish. Okay, Tesla looking to me a bullish. We got double top here, but that's your supply. So excuse me, I'm sorry. All right, so Tesla supply is here, 265 area. Okay, 265 area is your supply. You gotta be careful. Condition is still bullish, but remember, folks, whenever the events are, I notice Tesla goes up and this market maker pulls the rug on it. I have noticed that no matter how much powerful event it is, and market maker always pulls the rug. So be careful, folks. Okay, because Tesla was already here from which month? April. Since April, right? Trying to take it up to 263 area. So I just want to give you a little heads up. Be careful. Why? Because Tesla's earnings are missing. Last 4 quarters, Tesla missing the earnings, right? So based off of EPS, Tesla is you paying high value right now. So just be careful what cycle you're trading. Remember that. Are you playing event? Are you playing headline? Are you playing, pump dump? Just be careful. That's what I would say. Because don't think of that event. Think what could market maker could do to you if what kind of cycle you're trading, right? Remember, if you have a stomach to hold it and you're playing longer term cycle, then yes, absolutely, then you don't need to worry about it, right? Because at the end, our goal is dollar green. Who cares about Tesla goes up or down? We care about going up and going down, whichever cycle you want to catch. So I would not short because earning is coming in also. Remember, I would not short right now, and I would not go long also because we have a supply here, but there's an event coming in, earning coming in. Market maker will make it bullish. Remember, there's a tons of bulls are here on Tesla, so they will create bullish. Remember, they will create a bullishness, still bullishness, because it is bullish right here. Nothing is weak here. Only thing is supply here. So let's see how they will play next 2 weeks here. Okay, it will go a little up, down, whatever they will do. I do not see a weakness, but just to be cautious for the trap, if any trap happen, just to give you heads up. All right, that's how I see Tesla. Alrighty, so folks, we just call it a day on this one for the market update video. And tomorrow morning we're gonna see you folks. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe button also, and share. Okay, so tomorrow folks, see you 9:13. Those who are new to the community folks, type it in YouTube, top trading edge. All right, and you can join the community. And if you want to join the alert WhatsApp group folks, there is a WhatsApp group we have, you can join. These are the classes I offer. Okay, we have 25 space available. Anyway, all right folks, let's get going. Morning 9:30 tomorrow. We'll see you guys. Okay, thank you.